Hello everyone, this is Sheikh Mustafa representing CryptoFace by Shoaib Khan. Today's video is about how can we use daily ranges for trading. The question is, what are daily trading ranges? You should know that this is an institutional strategy and works 99% of the time. The concept of daily fair value is the daily fair value acts as a magnet, and once it is respected, it is no more to be used for the trading purpose. Same goes for the daily support and daily resistance. From the day open, you can see the daily fair value acted as a magnet perfectly, and it went towards the daily resistance afterwards, from where you can see it is getting rejected now. I am saying again, once any of the levels is tested, it is no more valid and structure is completed. The question about the stop loss is your stop loss must be 1% away and you must not use high leverages. The recommended leverage is 10x or max 15. So that if you lose in this case, you lose 1 or 1.5% of your portfolio or your margin you are using in this trade.